Video, video. Balot po yung kinain niya yung kite, oh. Yeah, just eat it. Eat them all. Ayan. Yeah. Sarap. How is it? Good? Thumbs up. Thumbs up if it's good. Thumbs down? Why?
Now because I tasted it tastes good.
It tastes good?
Yeah.
Then it should be thumbs up.
Up or down?
Up.
Over here, okay.
David is eating balut. His favorite. And the quail's egg. And the quail's egg.
Got no eggy.
Happy si Pogi, oh. Pogi-pogi lalo, oh. Lalo pong pogi din. Ako, dilib na yung mata. Ibis ko na ito eh. Yung 6 months na, ha?
Here,
Ano?
enough. Take it up.
Uy, dandahan. Konti-konti lang.